Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a meat and potato pasty, but a low calorie version. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we take 500 grams of cube stewing steak, pop it into a slow cooker on a high heat, 100 grams of sliced mushrooms, 3 sliced shallots, 3 sliced carrots, 1 beef stock pot, 400 milliliters of hot water, 1 tablespoonful of Worcester sauce, 1 tablespoonful of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and 500 grams of potatoes which have been sliced up. Just give those a stir around, then we're going to pop the lid on, and we'll let that cook for about 5 hours just until the meat is soft and the potatoes are tender. Now after 5 hours we're going to remove the lid. As you can see, the sauce is still quite runny, so we're just going to leave the lid off on high for an hour just until the sauce thickens. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button. It does help that I can make further videos for you. So after an hour, as you can see, our stew is now made up. It's nice and thick. It's ready to put into the pasties. So first of all, we take a beaten egg. Then we'll just set that to the side and we'll bring in a roasting tray, and on that then we're going to use our pie cover, which in this case is a tortilla wrap. So we spoon some of the beef mixture into the middle. And then on top of that there we're going to place some sliced onions. Take the egg wash and just wash around the outside of it with the egg wash. Now we just take the wrap and fold it over. Using a fork, then we're going to press it firmly down just to keep it all together. Then we're going to brush the outside of it again with some egg wash. Now we're going to pop this into a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan, and we're going to let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes just until the outside of it is crispy and brown. Now as you can see, our pie is nice and thick, well filled, the onions are softened. I like to serve mine just with a side salad. This is a great dish for lunch as well. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video for meat and potato pasty. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.